The Capybara Who Learned to Listen. In a lush green forest by a sparkling river, there lived a group of capybaras. Among them was a young capybara named Carlos. Carlos was bigger and faster than all the other capybaras his age, and he knew it. He loved to brag about how strong he was and how quickly he could swim across the river. One day, the capybaras were playing by the water's edge when an old tortoise slowly made his way to them. The tortoise, known as Señor Tortuga, was wise and had lived in the forest for many, many years. "Listen to me, young ones," Señor Tortuga began. "There is a storm coming. You must build a shelter on higher ground and stay safe." The other capybaras gathered around Señor Tortuga, listening carefully to his advice. But Carlos wasn't interested in what the tortoise had to say. "Why should we listen to a slow old tortoise like you?" Carlos sneered. "I can swim faster than anyone, and I'm not afraid of a little storm." The other capybaras tried to convince Carlos to listen. "Carlos, Señor Tortuga has lived here longer than any of us. He knows this forest well," they said. But Carlos was stubborn. He shook his head and said, "You all can worry if you want, but I'm going to keep playing by the river." As the day went on, dark clouds began to gather in the sky. The wind picked up, and the river started to flow faster. The capybaras, heeding Señor Tortuga's warning, began to move to higher ground. But Carlos stayed by the river, refusing to listen. Suddenly, the storm hit. Rain poured down in sheets, and the river swelled, becoming a raging torrent. Carlos tried to swim, but the current was too strong, even for him. He realized too late that he should have listened to the warnings. Just when he thought he would be swept away, he felt something solid under his paws. It was Señor Tortuga. The old tortoise had come back to help Carlos. "Hold on tight, young one," Señor Tortuga said calmly. With his sturdy shell, the tortoise provided Carlos with the support he needed to make it to safety. Soaked and shivering, Carlos reached the high ground where the other capybaras had taken shelter. He looked at Señor Tortuga, feeling ashamed. "I'm so sorry, Señor Tortuga," Carlos said quietly. "I was too proud to listen, and I almost got swept away." Señor Tortuga smiled gently. "It's okay, Carlos. We all make mistakes. What's important is that we learn from them." From that day on, Carlos was a different capybara. He still loved to swim and play, but he no longer boasted about his strength. Instead, he listened to the advice of others and showed respect, especially to those with more experience. And whenever a storm approached, Carlos was the first to help build a shelter, making sure everyone was safe. The morale of the story is that strength and speed are important, but wisdom and humility are even more valuable. Listening to others, especially those who are older and wiser, can help us avoid danger and make better choices. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to see more stories like this one. See you all next time.